There's probably about a 5 to 6 foot drift. So today we're just going to be heading outside here. I was going to open the garage door to get out got a little bit to do in the chicken barn and take the cows a bale of hay and a little bit of work outside, but just to give you an idea of our nice beautiful weather here. Quite the day today. At least it's not as bad as it was supposed to be. It's about 30-mile-an-hour winds. Snow's really blowing today again, and we were actually supposed to be in a blizzard warning today, but we ended up not getting any snow overnight. That stayed away from us, and then there would have been fresh snow to blow, so this was not as bad as it could have been. I was just gonna show the size of some of the drifts out here. With had a fair amount of wind this year, and probably about, just guessing from where I am here, probably about 5 to 6 foot drift there. It pops off this way. Wouldn't want to be shoveling your way through that one. Just a little video here of some of the snow blowing. Right here's the road there. I know before I heard somebody, they said that they were this was even around noon. Now it's about 5, and they weren't making it through this morning even almost. If we would have got snow as they were talking last night, things would have been real ugly with some of that fresh snow being able to be blown. Right now we had a couple inches the other day here, so there was some snow to blow, and then now it got cold again, so it just keeps eating away kind of at what's there, and it's not wet snow, because then that wouldn't blow very good. So if we would have had several inches like they were talking about, then we would have been in that blizzard warning, which we were, but they canceled it, I think, this morning just because we didn't get any. So as you can see, like right here, we have this building site to our right, and the snow isn't blowing across the road. I know you look over the field here, and you can't even see any snow blowing close to us here. That's why we like trees around it. Things get too opened up the way snow blows. It's the same thing with soil and that. So we like to have some cover on the fields. After we harvest and that, when we plant, we still like a lot of residue on the fields just so it doesn't blow. We are fairly open here. We have pretty big open irrigated fields and that, so it's nice to have some tree lines around yet, and like I said, the cover on the fields, because we have a little bit lighter soil as well, so if it gets a strong wind, sand acts the same way kind of. So I know one misconception about a blizzard is most people think that it's snowing, and being from Minnesota my whole life, even in that, I think I thought that till years ago here when I was reading about it or watching the weather, and they said the winds have to be a certain speed and visibility has to be down to a certain distance, and that's it. I mean, it doesn't even have to be snowing. So there's a couple guidelines it has to meet, but one of them is not that it has to be snowing. I might have to dig my way through this drift on the road. And I know one thing too is when people say our weather stinks here in Minnesota some in winter, don't just take their word for it. You should come and check it out. It can be pretty miserable at times, but when you're sitting inside of a vehicle, well, that isn't very good either, because the roads are not good at all today, but sitting inside the house, it looks pretty outside sometimes.